Give me a second, guys. Hello, everyone. Welcome to an academy. Sure. I was looking for my pen. Great. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ashish, and I'm an extra faculty. I did work there for 8.5 long years. Starting from 2017, I have always produced a student who scores more than 99.9 plus percentile. Welcome, Rahul. अगर आप कैट के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो तो यू कैन चेक आउट आवर आइकनिक प्रोग्राम. आइकनिक में क्या है? You have all the benefits of plus. In addition to that, yes, you are assigned personal mentors, which will help in your personal grooming. Good morning, Lekhna. They'll look at your workouts, your weak areas. They'll help you how to work on them. आपका प्रोफाइल बिल्ड करने में मदद करते हैं and so on. We start multiple batches every week. So 12, 3, 4 batches every week. So in a month we have like 12 to 15 batches, and I absolutely recommend you to take subscription so that you can attend all the batches. There is no limitation कि आप इसमें कर रहे हो तो उसमें नहीं करोगे, उसमें कर रहे हो तो उसमें नहीं करोगे. You can absolutely attend all the batches. This is the best package. What I feel is for you guys. CAT plus campus placement, the best one. इसमें you have 6 months preparation for 12 months का package is in like 30,000 approximately. आपको CAT का भी subscription मिलता है. CAT plus OMETS plus campus placements. All of them, entire everything is covered. Combat देना. Today is Friday again. Next Sunday को होगा combat on 12 p.m. अगर आप टॉप कर गए तो you will be awarded accordingly. Uh, Up to 2 years subscription can be won free of cost completely. Welcome, Elvin. Sure. Let's start. Let me upload. Guys, answer the question if you want. What happened? Aja. Attempt the question. This one. Without wasting much of your time. Straight away. ये बेसिक्स ऑफ वेन डायग्राम है, तो दोनों के लिए रेलेवेंट है बेटा. एल्विन, sure. Answer this. एनीबॉडी? आप लोग आपके आंसर्स लिख डालो इधर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. आंसर्स लिख दो इधर. Nobody else can watch it. Lekhna has given an answer. Anybody else? guys? Okay, nice, Ashutosh. You got that right. Chalo, shall we discuss this question? अच्छा, देखो, Venn diagram है, language plays an important role in such questions. ये मैंने Venn diagram draw कर दिया है. This is for tea, this is for coffee. This A represents this region strictly. A represents this region. And what is A? Those who prefer drinking only tea. B represents this region strictly. And what is B? Those who drink only coffee strictly. G represents those the number of people who drink both of them. Okay. N is number of people who drink none of them. ये बाहर है ना दोनों सर्कल के. अब आ जाओ लैंग्वेज पे. 72 drink only tea. Awesome. So 72 drink only tea. A हो जाएगा ये. Awesome. 50% of the students drink coffee. 50% of the students drink coffee. मतलब ये 50x हो जाएगा. 25% of the students, sorry, yes, 50% of the students drink coffee. अच्छा देखो guys, 50 यहाँ नहीं आएगा, 50x यहाँ नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? क्यों? क्योंकि इस रीजन में हम वही लिखेंगे, those who drink only coffee, and what we have, 50% of them drink coffee. So ये हम बाउंड्री में लिख देंगे. ठीक है? 50x is equal to g plus b. 50x is equal to g plus b. Okay. 25% of the students drink both tea and coffee. So this is 25x. They drink both tea and coffee. 5% of the students drink neither tea nor coffee. Very good. So this is 5x. Now based on this, we can solve कि this is 25x. Okay. B निकल गया ना 25x. Yes. Also you can write, but इन सब का addition कितना होगा? A plus B plus G plus N. इन सब का addition would be 100x. It has to be 100x. Yes, sir. So where A is 72, B is 25, X, G is 25x, N is 5x, and this in all is 100x. Gives me 45x equals 72. X equals 72 upon 45. Yes or no? 8 by 5. X मिल गया 8 by 5. What's the total strength of the class? What's the total strength of the class? The total strength of the class is 100x. 100 into 8 upon 5. 5 से cancel out हो जाएगा 20 times में. 20 into 8 is 160. किसी को कुछ doubt? किसी को कुछ doubt? This could be the most basic question of Venn diagram. And now you can answer any of the question. Answer this. How many of the students drink only tea or only coffee? How many of the students drink only tea or only coffee? Only tea or only coffee? Only tea or only coffee? How many of the students drink only tea or only coffee? बताओ कितना आ जाएगा? Only tea and only coffee. How many students are there who would be drinking only tea or only coffee? हंड्रेड एंड 12 है ना बेटा? यस. ये 72 है और ये कितना है? 40 है. 72 plus 40 is 112. Awesome. This is 112. How many of the students drink neither tea nor coffee? How many of the students drink neither tea nor coffee? 5x था ना? 5%. Yes. 5x. X was 8 by 5. C is the correct answer to the question. How many of the students drink only coffee? 25% था ना बेटा, 40 हो गया ये. How many of them drink at least one of the two? Answer this. ये बताओ फटाफट. How many of them drink at least one of the two? चलो, and then we'll move to the next set. How many of them drink at least one of the two? So total minus none of the two. Yes, total minus none, which is 152. Total था 160. None is 8. None is 5%. 8 minus करके you'll get the answer. चलो, attempt this one, guys. आ जाओ, attempt this one. And you can mark your answers in the like यहाँ लिख सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. I'll start poll as well. आप बताओ, how much time should I initially assign to poll? कितना टाइम दे दूं? 1 मिनट, 2 मिनट, 3 मिनट, 4 मिनट, 1 घंटा, 2 घंटा, 3 घंटा, 4 घंटा, कितना बोलो? Okay, ठीक है. 1 hour given. An hour is assigned. My unit works differently. चलो guys. Okay. Understand the language of the question, guys. We are into last minute. Sure, guys. The time is almost up. Eighty people will surveyed. 80 would be this: A, B, G, and let's start. Uh, it was found that for every six people who read the Hindu, there were four who read Times of India. इसका मतलब क्या है बेटा? इसका मतलब ये है कि those who are reading Hindu and those who are reading Times of India are in the ratio 6:4. Yes or no? They are in the ratio 6:4. बोलो yes sir. The number of people who read Hindu to the number of people who read Times of India, they are in the ratio 6:4. मतलब हिंदू वाले हो जाएंगे 6x, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया वाले हो जाएंगे 4x. यस, चलो असुम कर लिया. द रेशियो हैज टू बी मेंटेन्ड. रेशियो मेंटेन करना जरूरी है सर. 3x और 2x भी आप असुम कर सकते थे, 60-40 भी कर सकते थे. एनीथिंग दैट सेटिस्फाइज दैट रेशियो. 6x और 4x ही करना जरूरी नहीं है. द रेशियो शुड बी 3:2. ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज ओके the next is this na. For every 9 people who read the Hindu, for every 9 people who read the Hindu, there are 3 who read both. Hindu upon both is 9:3. मतलब क्या 3:1. The ratio is 3:1. हिंदू भी नो कि कितने हैं 6x. हिंदू तो हमने assume कर लिया है ना. हिंदू is 6x. ये चलो ये निकाल दो. 3:1. हिंदू is 6x. तो both निकल जाएगा क्या? Both निकल जाएगा. Both would be then 2x. बोलो yes sir. G would be then 2x. Yes or no? Doubt है तो feel free to ask. I'm just following what is given in the question. Just हम लोग वही कर रहे हैं. That's it. Now if this is 2x, guys, अगर G 2x है तो B भी 2x हो जाएगा. और अगर G 2x है तो A कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 4x. And addition of all of them would be how much? 10x. अच्छा ठीक है, तो आगे देखो. The number of people who read both of them is same as those who read neither of them. So both and neither is same. This thing is 2x. And the total is now 10x. Total is now 10x. So 10x equals 80. X equals 8. Yes or no? How many read Times of India? Only Times of India. So only Times of India is read by 2x people. Only Times of India is read by 2x people. So 2 into 2x is how much? 2 into 8, 16. Yes, and now you can answer any of the question. How many people read the Hindu and the Times of India? ये and है बीच में. Hindu and Times of India. So Hindu and Times of India is read by 2x again. So 2 into 8 again. Yes, guys, very good. अच्छा, किसने करेक्ट दिया था इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर? ओके, वो नहीं दिखा. How many of the people read only the Hindu? Okay, how many of the people read only the Hindu? 4x people read only the Hindu. 4 into 8, 32. Yup. Let's answer this. If 12.5% of the people who read both of them stopped reading the Hindu, then what percentage of the people read the Hindu now? Answer this. If 12.5% of the people who read both of them stop reading the Hindu, then what percentage of the total number of people read the Hindu? आज भी 11 बजे वाला सेशन नहीं है गाइस। 11 AM को जो सेशन होता है वो नहीं है आज। I'm busy at that time. So, देखो, anybody? Sorry. If 12.5% of the people who read both of them, so how many of the people read both of them? 16 people. ठीक है? Is 16 का 12.5%. What is 12.5%? 12.5% is nothing but 1 by 8. Yes. So 1 by 8. Yes. Few of you have given the correct answer. 1 by 8 of this is 2. So दो बच्चे यहाँ से निकल जाते हैं. They are not reading the Hindu. So ये 14 हो जाएगा ना. This is now 14. In fact, this amount will be reduced by 2. ये 48 है initially. 48 में से दो यहाँ से दो निकल गए. 46 बचे. ठीक है. चलो 46 बजे. Now ये 46 is what percentage of 80? This was to be calculated, and this is nothing but 57.5%. This is nothing but 57.5%. So answer this one. If half of the people who read only the Hindu stop reading it and start reading Times of India, then what is the ratio of number of people reading the Hindu to those of number of Times of India? One is to two. Prajwal, it's not 1:2. If half of the people who read only the Hindu stop reading it and start reading Times of India, half of the people. आ जाओ देखो. Yes, 2:3 is the right answer. Half of the people who read only Hindu, okay, they stop reading it. यही है ना, half of the people who read only the Hindu, they stop reading it and start reading Times of India. So half of the people from here, they stop reading it. So 4x में से 2x निकाल दो, and they start reading Times of India. So what would be the figure after change? After change, the figure would be ये हो जाएगा 2x, ये तो 2x है ही, ये हो जाएगा 4x. यहाँ से 2x निकल के यहाँ आ गया बेटा. आप नंबर्स में भी काम कर सकते थे. यहाँ से 2x निकल के यहाँ आ गया. Now, what is the ratio of the people who read the Hindu and who read Times of India? How many of them read the Hindu? 2x plus 2x, 4x, and 2x plus 4x, 6x. 2:3. 2:3. Am I clear with this? The new ratio is 2:3. Chalo guys. It was a short session. We'll stop here.